Today we'll be looking at the word sorry and its power in a relationship or a marriage. Now, before we start, I want us to discuss this. Yes, we have two types of sorry. We have the bad sorry and the good sorry. But today we'll be looking at the good side of sorry. Sorry, some words or elements that come out from sorry. For instance, let me use this as an example. The types of sorry or the types of good sorry we have. One is sorry the way you feel. I will not do it again. You can say, sorry, I made you feel that way, or sorry, I promise to change. These are the good types of sorry. And sorry is very, very important in your marriage. It can save a lot of things. And today we'll be looking at the things or the factors or the things that sorry does in marriage or in home. Before we start, this is Augustus. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to do that. Thank you. We have other videos about in relationship that marriage and other do well to subscribe. What sorry does in a home? The first one is it de-escalates conflict. When you say, I am sorry, if your partner is angry, you provoke him or you did something that he have warned you not to do again, and you repeated it maybe by mistake, by omission or omission, maybe intention or unintentional. When you say, I am sorry, it can stop fight, it can stop anger, it can stop that conflict that is about to happen or generate in your home. So develop the attitude of saying, I am sorry. And when you're telling somebody, I am sorry, that is not a proper time for you to start giving excuses or reasons why you did that. It is better for you to say, I am sorry, when the person's anger have calmed down, when the person's temperament is cool. You cannot tell the person, or you now explain how it's happened, what makes you to do that, or whatever that happened, whatever excuse or reasons that made you to do that, or maybe to repeat what he have told you not to do again. So, but first of all, say what? I am sorry. In some homes today, they are fighting, there is quarrel from morning to night because they lack that word, sorry. When a man provoke a woman, say sorry. Forget about the authority. You know that women, we normally display our authority. You know, we are the head. Yes, Bible said you are the head. That does not mean that you will not tell your wife, I am sorry. Yes, Bible made you the head of the house, of the man, or the head of whatever you can think of. That will not prevent you from saying what? I am sorry. It's very compulsory as a man to apologize to your wife whenever you wrong her. Some people are in the court today trying to separate, but sorry would have averted many things. Do you know that sorry can avert fighting in a home? Sorry can avert insult in a home. Fail to take care of that little conflict with that just 5 alphabets, sorry, it can avert many things. So many men today or women today, their husband has stopped taking care of them materially because of what? I'm sorry. Maybe they did something that provoked the man, and the man decided to take decision that I will never take care of you. But if the woman is wise or the man is wise, the man can say, I am sorry. Sorry cannot remove any hair from your body. So learn how to say, I am sorry. Period. Please, darling or sweetie, I am sorry. Can you say, repeat after me? I am sorry. Second one is sorry validates feelings. Calm down. Calm down. Sorry validates feelings. I am sorry I hurt you means that you acknowledge their pain. That I am sorry that I hurt you. You acknowledge that that thing you did pain that person. And the person will now realize that maybe whatever that happened, that you did not do it intentional. But when you ignore to say I am sorry, the person might think that you purposely did that thing. So sorry, do what? Validate feelings. The person will start, even there's sometimes when you tell somebody sorry, the person say, never mind, no problem, never mind, no problem, I've heard you, never mind, just it's okay. It is not that the person is not feeling the pains anymore, but the pains in the person's feelings have reduced just because of what? That little word is used. Do you get it? So now, if you fail to say sorry, it can even cause the person to feel pain, physical and emotional. So that is why you need to say sorry. It validates feelings. Believe me, as sorry validates feelings, it's also validates love, because feelings goes with what? Love. So do well to say I am sorry. Whenever you wrong your wife, or your husband, do well to apologize. You are apologizing for the impact. You are not always apologizing for the intent, but you are apologizing for the impact. You are not always what apologizing for the intent, but you are apologizing for the impact, the pain, the emotional pain or physical pain that your action that have caused him or her. So that is why you need to say, I'm sorry. The third one is it models accountability. It models what? Accountability. Marriage work when both people own their 50 what percent. I am sorry. This one said, I am sorry. It models accountability. It makes both partners to be on the same page. Not when you wrong your wife will be the one to apologize. You are the one that provoke her, but your wife will be the one to apologize. That means both of you are not in the same page. But when you wrong your wife and you say, I am sorry, and when your wife wrongs you and she said what, I'm sorry, that is it modelize or models the accountability of what, of marriage and relationship. Saying sorry first does not make you weak. Believe me, saying sorry first does not make you weak. I will come to that later in our next video. Go through my channel, you will see some of the psychological effects of sorry. So saying sorry does not make you weak. Maybe if you wrong your husband and him at that point in time have not realized his mistake, maybe him felt that you are the one that wrongs him, but you also know that he is the one that wrongs you. What you do is to say, I am sorry. Because at that moment, his spirit is high, her spirit is high. So the person that wins that battle, or the person that quench that conflict, it is you that says sorry. It is not the person that wrongs you or her. Do you understand me? Because most of the times, many people used to say, he's at fault. He's supposed to be the one to tell me sorry. But there's some situation where the person will not even realize because the emotion is high, the feelings is high, the temperament is high. So you that your own temperament and feelings is cool, please render sorry. Render that word. Use that word sorry. It's a golden word. Just use the word sorry. Then later, when the spirits have calmed down, when the emotion and whatever have calmed down, the temperament have calmed down, that is the time you can now explain whatever that happened. Believe me, if it is a good man in your life, if he's a good man in your life, he might even buy something, even if it's a handkerchief or biscuit, he might even buy something to now apologize. Saying sorry first does not make you a good person. It does not make you an idiot. It does not make you a stupid person or an uneducated person, but it makes you a wise person that wants her home or his home to work out. It makes you a leader in what? In maturity. Saying sorry first makes you a leader in maturity. It is usually invite your partner to your own path too. When you first say sorry, it shows that you're a leader, that you're mature to be a leader. Yes, it might come from a man, it may come from a woman. It shows maturity. And once you show maturity, what it means or what it will draw is that the other person who happens to all the time, even if he's wrong, he will not tell you sorry. At a point, the person will not graduate in your school of thought of sorry. See it now. You have win the person, you have drawn the person to your own path. So when you say sorry, at a point, saying sorry is contagious. As a new couple, each time you say sorry, tomorrow him too will also join you by saying what? Sorry. At that point in time, we have won him. So saying sorry does not make you a weak person, but rather it makes you a leader in your home. Now, let's look at the fifth one. It creates repair. According to John Gottman research, he showed that best marriage are not conflict free. I repeat, according to John Gottman, he said that best marriage are not conflict free. They are good at repair. So, sorry can easily repair damages or damage that the future damage in your home. Let me use that word, future damage. When you ignore sorry, you are busy incurring damage in your home. So, but when you say, I am sorry, it repairs, as I said earlier on, it repairs emotional pain, even physical pain. Yes. So saying sorry to your partner, it means a lot. It repairs some damages that will occur in the future. A timely, sincere apology is the fastest repair tool you have. Is the fastest tool. Men are easily to punch. Let me use that word. They are easily to punch. They are easily to showcase their anger. They are easily to display their anger. But as a wise woman, when you say, I am sorry, if that man have the spirit of Okogan or stone, those wrestlers, if that man have the spirit of beating, once you say I'm sorry, even if his hand is up, the hands will come down.
I am sorry.
As a wise woman,
please.
as a wise man, learn how to say sorry. In summary, sorry is very important. You that is about to get married or you are planning of getting married, make sure that sorry is inside your bag. As you're preparing everything, you're preparing your marriage, you're preparing your wedding, you're preparing your traditional marriage, make sure that you have sorry in your bag. In marriage, sorry is not all about admitting defeat. It is about choosing connection over ego. Sorry is not all about admitting defeat. It is not all about he won you, that he had defeated you. No, but it is all about choosing the right word connection, the right word, the right situation over ego. So as you're preparing of getting married, please make sure that you have sorry in your bag. It's very, very important. See you in our next video.